how to go live on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can go live on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to go live on TikTok, it's very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the TikTok application. Now all you have to do is just tap the plus icon that you can find here, and then once you tap the plus icon you should be able to see all this, where you simply need to scroll to the right hand side until you see the live section. Now, if you are not seeing the live section like me, it is due to a couple of reasons, and one of the reasons is that the follower criteria. So in order to go live on TikTok, you need to have over 1000 followers, and only after you have 1000 followers and then you tap the plus icon here, you will be able to see the live option over here, and then you can configure the settings. Now let's say even if you have 1000 followers, you're not seeing the option. In that case, just try switching to a business or professional account. So just tap the three lines option, go to settings and privacy, go to account, just try to switch to a business account and then see if that helps you solve your problem. So hope this video helps you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.